you have a Mini, this is a simple replacement that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's the cabin air filter. Save yourself some money and watch my video.
The cabin air filter, sometimes known as the Pollen filter, is the filter inside your car that keeps your air that you breathe nice and fresh. Now, if your car's smelling a little bit dusty or dirty, then it's probably time to replace this. I'm going to show you how. On this Mini Clubman, the housing is located underneath the glove box, just like so. You want to locate this and then find a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and then in these tabs here, pry up gently and pop that flap open. Oh, look at all that dust coming out. Yuck. Now I'll show you again just in case you missed it. The little tabs, you want to go in those holes there and pry it backwards. See how it's lifting up, but do it very gently. As you're doing that, you can pull down gently and that flap will start to move. This is on one side and then move to the other side. Put your screwdriver in that little hole, pry very gently and then gently pull down at the same time. Just like that, and the flap will come open. There we go. Now that it's open, the filter is located inside. Gently pull on it and it will slide out just like so. It's in an S shape inside the housing. As you can see with this old filter, it's following the shape of how it sits inside the housing. There are some numbers on there if you want to reorder another one. I have a link in the description for Amazon and AliExpress, so you can choose where you want to get your filter from. But you can do this at low cost. It's far more cost effective than taking it to the dealer, and you can do it yourself. It's nice and easy. You can see all the dust in there. This thing is long overdue for a replacement. So let's compare with a new one that I've got here. Pay attention to which way around they go. This one doesn't have any arrows on it. They sometimes do. So make sure you put it in the right way up. To put it back in, you just slide it up into the housing. It follows the path that it's supposed to go into. It's not quite sitting right there. So what we do is line it up, push it in so it's all lining up nicely in the groove, just like that, before we shut the lid. And then clip the lid back in place. Now it's closed in there and your filter is replaced. Let's take a look at this old filter. It's full of dirt, grime and dust, and the new one will be nice and fresh for the car. Let's bang it out and see what comes out of it. All of that dust is what you'll be breathing inside the car. Yuck. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.